Hello all you wonderful people. The Zontes 350 V1 was just released yesterday. I've got a brand new video for you. It's in Chinese subtitles as it's just been released. This video is either how to clean or change your air filter. So the guy from Zontes there is going to show you how to do it. As you can see, the location there is underneath the bike near the back wheel, which is massive. That back wheel is a 180 width. So as you can see, he's taking out the 4 Allen bolts out to actually remove the cover. He's having a problem with that one, isn't he? Come on, lad, you can get it out. There's always one tricky bolt. There you go. Okay, you take this cover off, which you will see there. There are 2 PKA fuses and 2, I think it's a 12mm or 10mm socket to get them off. Just grab them both off. Just to release it and get it out of the way so you can get to the air filter properly. So the air filter has 2 screws on the housing, that's for protection. So when you've got the 2 screws off, you get to the fiddly bit. All Zontes models have a little strap on the front of the air filter that you can quickly just grab hold of, so you just got to prise it off to grab hold of this. And you wiggle it and pull it and wiggle it to get it out. Come on lad, you can do it. There you go, he's got it now. There you go, the air filter's out of the housing. So now you can clean the air filter, replace the air filter, but always put some engine oil on the sides. Very, very important, put some engine oil liberally on the sides. So when you slip it in, you can slip it back out again. Otherwise you're going to have problems trying to get it out. So while you're watching, put it all back together again. I'll just give you some little few specs. It's got a TFT display, multifunction with phone connectivity, 2 times 18-watt USB ports for quick charging, 43mm front fork, a single-sided swing arm. The rear tyre is a 180/55 ZR17. The front tyre is a 127 ZR17. Dual channel ABS. 90 miles per gallon or 3.2 litres of fuel for every 100 kilometres travelled. Oh, I'm getting mouthful here. Multi-slipper clutch. It has 29 kilowatts of power, which is 39 horsepower. High compression 12.321 engine, 348 cc. T-type is very low, 765mm. So anybody can ride this, down from 810mm. So if you're 5'8" legs, you can get on there. The fuel tank capacity is 15 litres and the curb weight of the bike is 188 kilograms. The bike comes in 3 colours: rose gold, dark grey and dark bright silver, dark grey and bright black. Bike is now on sale in China, so when it's got EU conformity regulations, you'll see them in about 3 months' time, all around the world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications so you don't miss out on the latest news. This is Mad Mick signing off.